Emma, who are you talking to?
Daddy. Dad. Daddy?
Daddy.
Auntie. Daddy.
Okay, so are you gonna say bye-bye? Say I love you. Can mommy talk to daddy?
No.
Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye, daddy. Say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Okay, she's waving. Say I love you. Okay, hit the blue button. I think he hung up. He's all gone. All gone. He went bye-bye.